Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to move between Excel sheets. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So you have a lot of worksheets in one document. The easiest way to switch to another worksheet is to simply find the required worksheet and click on it with the mouse. It's great, but it's a little inconvenient to look for the right sheet every time. Let's simplify the task and use a hyperlink. The first sheet will be the main one, which will contain names of all our worksheets in the form of hyperlinks, creating a column with the names of the months. Next, right-click on the first cell and select Link. In the menu that opens, click Place in this document button. In the Text to Display field, we can change the name of our link or leave it as it is. Then we choose which worksheet our hyperlink will be linked to. Accordingly, select January and click OK. Next, we do the same with the rest of the worksheets. So, all the hyperlinks have been created, and now we can move very quickly from the main sheet to other secondary sheets. Great, but to return to the main sheet, let's create another link that will allow us to return to the main worksheet. Select the January tab, then select any cell. Click the right mouse button and select the link option. Since we will refer to the main sheet, we will give the link an appropriate name. Great, the link works, we ended up on the main sheet. And in order not to create the same link 11 times, in all secondary sheets, go to the January tab, copy the cell with the hyperlink to the main sheet, hold down the Shift button and left-click to select all remaining worksheets. The sheets are selected, insert the link in any convenient cell. And now we can both switch from the main sheet to any worksheet and return back to the main sheet. This way is perfect if there is some general information on the main sheet that is important for secondary sheets. And if this path doesn't suit you, use the following one. Click the right mouse button on the left side at the bottom next to the main sheet, and we have a window with all the active worksheets, where we can choose which sheet to move to. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.